Hey Celeste, this is Sammy. Just want to shoot you a quick video just to let you to see the truck. Got automatic start on it. It's a platinum. It's got the retractable running boards on it. We just got it, so we got to clean it up. But as she's got the black leather seats, has the gear shift right here, has navigation, backup camera, has a sunroof. Here's the back. Hey Celeste, it's got a bed liner, bed cover in it. It's got a cover on the back of it. Hey Celeste, it's Sammy at William Isaiah Ford in Waynesboro, Georgia. Come out, y'all take a test drive, see if you like it.